So I wanted to talk to you a little bit from personal experience. In moments when we feel lost, our instinct might tell us to retreat, to build walls around our hearts and our minds. But true healing and understanding often begin with a pause, a moment to turn and reflect inward. It's okay to take time to explore the depth of our emotions and ask ourselves, are these feelings rooted in truth? Are they reflections of a deeper need or fear, right? This introspection isn't just about finding answers, right? It's about acknowledging that your emotions are valid. And once you've spent time in self-dialogue and you have a strong grounding on what these emotions that you're feeling actually are, consider opening up to someone who knows you, but someone who can remain objective, right? Their perspective can be a guiding light, and it can help you connect the dots to the things that were once scattered. But I also want you to understand that if the path still feels murky, if you still feel in the dark or emotionally hindered, then seek professional help. It's not a weakness to do so. It's a step of courage. It's a testament to your strength and your commitment to finding your way back. So seeking resolution is a brave journey, and it's one that you don't have to walk alone. So I say this to you, you're not alone when you seek answers, and you're not alone when you feel emotional weight. But the first stage is to pause and reflect. And from there, do the things that I suggested in this video.